The acrylic demonstration lens set comes in three different sizes. The LSTA 38 is 38 millimeters in diameter, the LSTA 50 is 50 millimeters in diameter, and the LSTA 75 is 75 millimeters in diameter. Each set comes with 6 different lenses: a double convex and double concave lens, a plano convex and a plano concave lens, and a concavo convex and convexo concave. The top 3 lenses are converging lenses, while the bottom 3 lenses are diverging lenses. Regardless of which set that you purchase, all the focal lengths are 75 millimeters. The variety of lenses that come in this acrylic set allow you to investigate converging and diverging lenses. It also allows students to investigate how lenses can have an equal focal length, but their shape, being double concave or double convex or plano convex, are going to be very different, yet they still exemplify the same optical properties. If you need something that's bigger or smaller, the set comes in 3 different sizes. The beauty of this is they all have the same focal length of 75 millimeters.